Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for gold for Friday, May the 15th. Well, the market is still having trouble breaking out above this cloud, and now it's approached the flat part of the cloud. And we know that we can get false breakouts from the cloud when it's flat, so we need to be very careful of trading any breakouts above this. It is likely to happen. If we look at the trend of this market, we do now have a first time frame uptrend, and I like the look of the candles here. The candles are basically green. They've been green for the last 3 or 4 days, or 3 out of the last 4 days. We had quite an iffy candle the day before, which was some sort of a doji, and we were looking for the low of that candle to be taken out in case we had a new first time frame downtrend. That didn't happen. The uptrend continued on its way with a green candle with a body that was larger than the previous 2 days, which is actually showing some positive signs. The only problem is that there was a bit of a wick or a shadow on the top and the bottom, which means some sort of price rejection, and that on the top coincides with the top of the Kumo. Now we're trading within the cloud, and the cloud has a slightly bearish bent to it, which means that we need to be very careful taking our any long signals. If we look at the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, as we saw yesterday, they're both pointing up, which is what we'd like to see, which means that the market has some upside momentum, and the steepness of the Tenkan-sen has seemed to increase, which means that this market is building some momentum. Now, it wouldn't surprise if it did trade out up above the cloud. But what we'd want to see is a very, very bullish day. We need to see enough bullishness for it to continue to trade through there. We need to watch this resistance through this level here. There's resistance up around 945, and then resistance up around 967. So they're very important areas for this market if it does continue in this first time frame uptrend.